Come on, two.
5 years ago, few of us had even heard of 3D printers. Now, some experts say most of us will have one in our own homes very soon.
Imagine that. You know, they're becoming very popular in schools right now. Some teachers call it an engineering education in a box. Today, we visited Dayton City School, where the students are excited about the 3D future. Slowly but surely, this 3D printer turns ideas into reality. Students involved in science, math, and art can now create what they once were only able to draw on paper or even a computer, like the school mascot, the Dayton Sweat Bee.
Since it's new technology, it's cost a lot, but I think that eventually the price will go down.
As recently as 2 years ago, 3D printers were a rare sight in schools, in use only in colleges, private schools, or schools specializing in science and engineering. Dayton City School, which prides itself in staying current in technology, obtained this printer a few weeks ago. Teachers are already imagining the future.
In this case, we could take something they create on a flat piece of paper, recreate it three-dimensional, and so they have a better concept of 3D. And it's something that will really affect their education.
This is a smaller model printer, currently creating a model of President Kennedy from this computer image. Larger being credited for advances in healthcare, robotics, and engineering.
If you want to be an engineer, you have to have pieces. So if you don't have this piece, you don't want to drive all the way to the store to get like a $100 piece. You can make spare metals and you can make a gear.
These students are the architects, artists, and healthcare workers of the future. Just as we once dreamed of tiny handheld computers, they know the possibilities for what they can now create are endless.
So we're real curious. If there's a need, then they can figure out a way to fix that problem. And that's what it's all about. That's what education is about, is solving problems.
Working on the John F. Kennedy model there, this is it. And
Wow.
you see a little profile there, isn't that nice? And they made a gift for you, Cindy.
They did?
You have an iPad stand
I
there,
do,
right? Let's
yeah.
take a look at this.
All right.
Remove your iPad.
Okay, got it.
Look at this.
Got it.
This was made with a 3D printer.
Ooh, isn't it nice? Look at that. Can you see that? That is awesome. It even says iPad on it,
Yeah.
if you can see that.
Turn that around, see if it
Oh
works.
all right, right here.
It makes a little noise.
It works great.
Isn't that something?
Yes.
So that's the future. There you have, and more schools are getting them. They're becoming more affordable. And just wait, you know, there was a time we didn't think we'd have, you know, little computers in our pockets. Just wait, you may have a 3D printer in your home soon.
Oh my goodness. How long did it take them to make that little iPad?
That takes a couple hours.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing what they can put together in just a short amount of time.
All right.
Mhm.